Final Cut Pro has a nice feature, and that is called the Skimmer tool. So using this tool, you can preview your clip very easily. And let's see how we can use this thing. To use this Skimmer tool, at first we need to click the clip or select the clip. So I'm going to select this clip to check. And once you select the clip, then you will find a small red line is there. And if you move your cursor over there, you will see it is changing, right? And the video is previewing. So in this way, you can easily check from where you can start the clip or where you want to stop the clip. Very easily you can find out like this way, and you can drag that portion, the portion you want to take, and then you can drag it and drop it here. The other way, you can use Skimmer tool inside the timeline or your storyline. You can click here and then you can move your cursor anywhere, and you can see the Skimmer tool is giving you the preview. For example, I want to check this section only, so I put my cursor over here and the Skimmer tool is showing like that. Then I can cut this clip around this area, and then I want to focus only that building, for example, and then I can keep the cursor over there, which is the Skimmer tool, and you can cut the clip and you can take the clip, and remaining part we can remove it like this way. So if we move our cursor or Skimmer tool of the clip again, it will show us the preview. And that's it. In this way, we can use this Skimmer tool to hover to preview position in or out points very faster way.